Hello, I'm Marika from Hygienius and I will show you how to use PROTECTA for sickness for vomiting. I will demonstrate an effective way to take one PROTECTA from the stack. Place your fingers under the edge of the top container, put your thumbs on top and lift the container up. When this is difficult, place the container between your legs to pull the top container from the stack from this position. PROTECTA is now ready for use. In the case of vomiting, let the patient carefully hold PROTECTA without the lid and assist when necessary. After use, add solid safe. Without solid safe, PROTECTA is liquid tight for 4 hours. With solid safe longer. 1 sachet of solid safe absorbs 1000 milliliters. Solid safe also neutralizes bad odors. The PROTECTA container has a capacity of 2 liters. Is your patient done vomiting? Has the vomit become a gel due to solid safe? Take PROTECTA for sickness. Close the PROTECTA lid into place. Dispose of PROTECTA for sickness safely in the closest macerator or waste trolley. Do you want to know more about PROTECTA or our other products? Just contact us. Our team is there for you. Thank you for watching and good luck with using PROTECTA for sickness.
Hygienius, humanizing infection prevention.